Assalamu alaikum guys, and today I am in the city of Birmingham. So in Birmingham there is a big Pakistani community. Around 21% of people living in Birmingham are from Pakistan. There is also a big community of people who are from Somalia. As you can see, look what they're selling here. They're selling prayer mats, buckets, whatever you need. To be honest, literally everything. A lot of abayas, if you want to buy abayas, perfumes. I like this. I actually love this. So beautiful to see. So right now I am walking through the streets of Birmingham. You know, it's very, very cultured. As you can see right now, there's a lot of people who are from Somalia, a lot of people who are from like North Africa. Shawarma for £3.50. I haven't seen shawarma for £3.50 ever, so I'm gonna get some right now. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله.
أعطيني شاورما دجاج صغير £3.50. Yeah. Wow, I haven't seen a shawarma that big in my life. It's so massive. So right now I'm going to be having the shawarma. It looks so good. But I'm feeling chicken today. I'm not feeling lamb, but they do look actually very good, as you can see. Yes.
Sauce, please.
Yeah, chili and garlic. Yes. MashaAllah. Oh wow. Yes. Right now I've got him a shawarma for £3.50. I haven't seen a shawarma ever for £3.50. And this right here is soup, which they gave me. I'm starting to learn Arabic more and more, so when I go to these shops I speak in Arabic. So if they understand me, it's a very good sign, you know. And right now I'm eating this food. They gave me this for free, mashallah. Oh wow, mashallah. I like this right here. This right here is like some, I think lentil soup or something. Let me know in the comment section what soup is this called. The prices down here are so cheap. Compared to where I'm from in the UK, compared to my place, a shawarma costs around £10. And I'm getting it here for £3.50. MashaAllah, this shawarma tastes so good. While I'm sitting down here, there's actually a lot of hijabis in Birmingham. I'm actually very shocked to see like so many people who are wearing the niqab here and freely, they're walking freely, which mashallah, it is very good. I actually love this place, mashallah. Look at these fruits. Look at all of these lemons, watermelons, ginger. They literally have everything down here. As you could see, lemon, apples, oranges. They literally have everything, to be honest. There is nasheeds playing in the background, but I'm actually very shocked how cheap Birmingham is. £1 for grapes. Like, it's actually very cheap. Like, it's so cheap compared to like London. Well, today is a Jummah. It's Friday, so I'm going to be playing the Friday prayer at the masjid today. I've got my phone with me, so let's go see how this masjid is. This masjid is actually so beautiful. I haven't seen a masjid look like this ever in my life. It's like a tower at the top, and yeah, it's one of the best looking masjids I've ever seen. MashaAllah, this right here is the masjid, and this is how the masjid looks like inside. Ready for Friday prayer here.
Allahu Akbar. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. سبح اسم ربك الأعلى الذي خلق فسوى والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج المرعى فجعله غثاء أحوى سنقرئك فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
Oh wow, mashallah. This right here is one of the most beautiful things I've seen ever. You know, the recitation, this is how the masjid looks like after. Mashallah, it's so beautiful to see. You know, like the beggars, like they're not Muslim, they wear like their head scarf, they say to you, Assalamu alaikum brother, please, do you have anything for me, And they're actually not Muslim, they act like a Muslim, you know, to get like some money or something like that. As you can see, we just finished praying here, and it was actually one of the most beautiful, you know, recitations I've ever heard in my life. You know what? It's a rundown area, but I actually feel very safe. I feel so calm and relaxed. Everybody just finished praying. The recitations was, you know, incredible. So right now I am feeling very hungry. So let's go get some food. So right now I'm going to be getting some Yemeni food. Oh wow.
Okay.
Yeah. MashaAllah, look at that. هذا من يمن؟ من يمن؟
من اليمن من كل مكان.
ما شاء الله.
ما
شاء الله. What's the name of this one?
This is lamb, normal lamb.
Normal lamb,
Yes.
okay.
Mandi,
Okay.
lamb shanks.
Lamb shank
Rice.
and rice.
Yes.
Okay.
And you have the pasta here.
Yeah. Oh, mashallah.
And chicken and mandi as well. One second.
We have that. Oh, wow. Mashallah, it's so beautiful to see. Oh wow, mashallah, these guys are treating me so good. So this shop is like a Yemeni Somali shop. The foods are very similar. You know, there's lamb shank, mandi, and it looks amazing. So I can't wait to try some of that food right now. I've gotten half pasta and half rice. That's like Somali, and then I think the meat is like Yemeni meat. But yeah, I'm going to be trying that right now. But the brothers here, mashallah, they're actually very good brothers. You know, they're very kind people. The Somali people, Yemeni, Pakistani. Everybody here is just so nice and welcoming. And you know what? I'm actually shocked. You know, many Somali people, they speak the Arabic language. I never knew that. Oh wow, mashallah, look at this. Look at this food. Please let me know in the comment section. This looks like a mix of Somali food and Yemeni food. So you know what? We have the half spaghetti here. We have the rice. So I have the shani drink. Shani. This is like, they gave me this drink. This is like a traditional drink. And you have this sauce. Please let me know what is this. But yeah, let's try this food right now. Oh wow. These people are the kindest people ever. So we have some soup right here. It looks like some lemon soup or something. So let's go. Bismillah. Let's try this. Oh, it's like some beef soup. Please let me know what's the name of this. But it has like some leaves inside and it tastes a little bit like beef. But it tastes so good, mashallah. Mashallah. So you have the spaghetti here. And you have potatoes, you have raisins. You literally have everything. And the flavors in this food is incredible, the best. Oh wow, alhamdulillah, I just had food right now and I am full. Literally one of the best foods, alhamdulillah, I've ever had in my life. You know what, when I think of Birmingham, okay, you know, this is what you see. It is dirty. You know, this is what you see on the road, on the pavement. You see smashed up car parts, you would see rubbish, you know, you see cans, you see everything. But at the same time, alhamdulillah, it's actually very safe. I see a masjid down there, So I'm gonna go pray in this masjid right now. So I'm walking right now and I'm seeing this. Look at this. I don't know if this is a masjid or not. Guys, let me know what type of masjid is this, because when I was walking close I'm seeing like flags which I don't see like in a normal masjid. So I don't know, let me know. I don't know, I haven't seen these like type of masjids before, like, you know, the writing. I don't know, let me know in the comment section. But I don't know, because I'm not too sure. I was walking past, everybody was just staring at me, so I don't know which masjid this is. But I'm going to go pray at another masjid called Birmingham Central Masjid. I have to give it, the mosque down here, they look so incredible. The designs look amazing. Oh wow. So this is how the mosque looks like. It looks so beautiful, mashallah. You know what, I actually love Birmingham. It's actually very good. It's good to see that there's so many masjids here, everything is close by, there is cheap food, halal food. But the one thing which I do not like is that it's literally dirty. Literally everywhere where you walk, it's just dirty. You just see bottles around, like every single area which you walk is just super dirty. You could wear your hijab or like a niqab or a thobe, and it's just normal, you know, walking on the streets. Like if you do that in some areas in like London or something, you may get looked at very badly, but here is actually very calm. You see Somali aunties taking the bus, you know, normal. It's actually a very good place, but at the same time, the thing which I don't like about this place is that it's very dirty. Like very dirty. Like on the streets you could just see like bottles and you know, rubbish on the streets. That's the bad thing. But overall, Birmingham is actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. It's actually a very good place. Make sure you guys all like and subscribe, and let me know what I should do next. Take care.